In this video, I'm going to show you how to export contacts from Thunderbird address book. Now to do this, first you want to open your address book, so go to the top left and click on over here to actually open it up. And then from here, you want to find the one you want to export. I'm just going to go with this one, which is the personal address book, and I'm going to right click it, so just right click on the one you want, and then click on export. Now when you do this, it's going to pop up this window over here to actually save your file. You simply want to select where you want to save it. I'm going to go to my downloads folder over here. You have to, of course, give it a name. By default, it's going to be the default name of your book you're exporting. And down here, you can also save as type. There's going to be a few different ones. You have comma separated values like CSV, and then you have things like tab delimited over here and stuff like that. So I'm just going to go with CSV or comma separated, which I do think is going to be the most common. So whenever you do this, just click on save, and of course it's going to save it into that specific folder for you. So that's how to export contacts. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.